Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a new update that allows you to easily view all shared videos in your Telegram web groups on PC. If you've been wondering how to find those videos quickly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to web.telegram.org. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the site, log in to your Telegram account if you haven't already. Next, you need to find the chat that you want to explore. Look through your list of chats on the left side of the screen. When you locate the group you're interested in, simply click on it to open the conversation. Now that you're in the chat, you'll want to access the group's info. To do this, click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This action will take you to a page that displays various details about the group, including its members, settings, and shared content. Here comes the exciting part. Once you're in the group's info, look for the media option. Click on it, and voila! You'll see all the videos that have been shared in the group, neatly organized for you to browse through. This feature makes it so much easier to revisit those memorable moments shared in the group, whether it's a funny clip, an informative tutorial, or a heartfelt message. And that's it. You've just learned how to view all shared videos in a Telegram web group on your PC with these simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy video hunting.